Tuka Goikara, Naman Tuka Goikara, success advocate. This is the second part of Naman Tuka Goikara, wherein the NSY, known as the Naman Tuka Vidhyarthano, wherein the NSY Goa team, our office bearers, will be going to each and every college to understand the problems. There are different colleges and different problems, as to understand it from a ground level. We will be traveling the way we travelled during Naman Tuka Goikara in public transport. We will be travelling as Vidhyarthi, as students. We will be travelling in public transport. However, the students travel maybe by pilot or by rickshaw. The way the students travel, that is how we will be travelling. We will be going to each and every college, understanding their problems. There is no election that is taking place, neither there is membership forms that will be given there. It will only be to listen to the problems, talk to the management of each and every college if possible, with our respective MLAs from the different constituencies, go and meet the management and solve their problems from a very ground level and understand their problems first of all. Because if you go to see right now, there are problems taking place in the youth, like drugs is a major issue that we need to tackle. We will try to find out who are the drug peddlers in various colleges and how it is reaching the colleges. If you go to see in GEC last year, 2 years before, there was a raid that took place, and after that raid, neither there has been precautions of the warden or any other precautions that have been taken. Only one raid has happened, and in various colleges, if you go to see, there is no anti-narcotic cell. Our major demand would be to have anti-narcotic cell also in various colleges. So from tomorrow we will be moving in the various colleges, and in various constituencies we will need your help as press media about the issues of various issues that students are facing in their various colleges.
Some student picked it up that I said all students in all colleges. I'm very sorry. Clearly it was that what I wanted to say was almost all students are getting hit by this menace, the drug menace. So I would have appreciated if those people who spoke about me did not witch hunt me, but help us together to get together and curb down this menace, this drug menace. Okay? Then I found this video on YouTube. It is by a famous YouTuber. That person has 1.8 million subscribers. It says Goa on drugs, and the views are 890k views. Okay, in this video, I will show you all the video later. In this video, they have mentioned, he is interviewing tourists, and they're basically talking how Goa and drugs are related and how tourists come to Goa only for drugs. And the tourists have mentioned places when the authorities say they don't know where the drugs are available. Watch this video. They have mentioned about a barber in Arambol who sells it and calls it prasad. I think this government is really good in giving prasad. Okay. Then they have said beach shacks and rave parties. So why are not all these places not raided till now when there are 890k views for this video? How has it not reached any Goan, and why authority, and why no one has taken action on this? Okay, by producing a 2002 survey, you cannot say that you are helping handle the drug issue in Goa. Okay, you cannot say that, because I can say my grandfather was a freedom fighter and my part of justice to Goa has been done. No. As a responsible student, as a responsible youth, when you have the ability, please go out, help people to get out of this menace.